Let's see how JSDoc comment work. Here I have defined a function called string to element id. So here I am generating a string element id from a string. I am using this function here. I have invoked it. Okay, so let's save this file with JSDoc comment. So I have this comment. Let's cut out this line and regenerate this comment. Okay, here it is. So I have generate a JSDoc comment. Let's hover over this function where I have invoked. So I have passed some argument here, and let's see the documentation. Generate HTML ID from string. So JSDoc is working. I can see the documentation for this function. Let's use a regular simple line comment like this and see the different. Save this file and hover over the function again. Here we are seeing a function only, so no documentation is here. So it is a simple, very simple function. So JSDoc help us to understand a function properly, how a function can be declared, what is the main purpose to define this function. So JSDocs help us. Let's go to the previous position and remove all of this. Let's verify again. Yes, it's working. So JSDoc is very important.